Viewers, welcome to AutoCAD Official. In this video or tutorial, you will learn how to use commands in AutoCAD 2022. So let's get started. We will start from the A command, the command that starts from A's. So we will start from about. The about, it displays information about AutoCAD. We provide the versions and other informations. So when you enter about and press enter, it will display the information about AutoCAD. Okay, let's move to ARX. This ARX, it provides information about ARX application, which is the files, group, commands, class, service, load and unload. That is what the A class does. Okay, let's move to @def. This @def is the same as attribute definition. That is the @def. This @def creates an attribute definition, which is this. This is the attribute definition. That is the ATTDEF. Okay, let's continue. We move to aid center. Aid center. Aid center. This aid center manages content. Maybe you can see on somebody building plan or architectural drawings or other drawings, you will see some blocks. When I talk about blocks, like the bedroom block, WC block, sofas, the trees you see on the elevations, and HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, all those things, kitchens, pipe fittings, plant process, welding, fasteners, electrical, and others. So that is what the A center does. Okay. So we move to aid navigate. Aid navigate. This aid navigate direct the desktop in AutoCAD Design Center to the file name, directory location or network path you specify. That is what the aid navigate does. It directs the desktop in AutoCAD into Design Center to the file name, directory location or network path you specify. That is what the aid navigate does. Okay, so let's move to @redef. This is what it does. The add-threaded is redefine a block and update associated attribute. So you can see it has made the working area smooth, or it has removed the grid lines from there. So this is how it works. Okay, when I can see it, you can see it has come back to its normal position. You can see the grid lines again. Okay, let's move to audit. This audit evaluate the integrity of drawing. Maybe when you are drawing and there are some errors in the drawing, you can use this to detect the errors in the drawing. That is what this works. Okay, let's move to align. Align object with other object in 2D or 3D. When you want to position your drawing, or where you want to position your drawing, where you want to align your drawing. Okay. Aid close. It is used to close the design center. The design center, which is the aid center. This aid center, when you want to close it, or maybe you want to use the command to close it, you can use this close over here to close it by. If you want to use command to close it, you can use the aid close. To close it like this. So I use the aid close to close the design center. Axis. This is used to import access files. So when I enter, you can see it has opened this from the file explorer. So if I have any of that file, I can import it to the AutoCAD. Upload. They upload and unload applications and define which application to load and start up. You can use to load and unload applications and define which application to load and start up. That is what it works, or that is how it works. Okay. Arc. A-R-C. Arc. This arc, it is used, or we use it to create arcs like this one. You can see this one. This one is an arc. So we use the arc to create arc. So we erase that one. Area. This area, it is used to calculate the area and perimeter of object or of defined areas. If you want to calculate the area and perimeter of the object or defined areas, you use area to calculate it. Okay. Array create multiple copies of pattern or object in pattern. Maybe I have this line over here, this line. I want to draw this line multiple to fit this line. If I have to follow the AutoCAD command, I will use copy selection, but to make your work accurate, you will use the array. So array, select object, you select this one or the object you want to array, you enter. You will see rectangular, path or polar. The path is maybe a straight line or a line, or you want to array on a line, and the polar means in a circle. So I'll choose path and select my path. So this is how it works. So this is how it works. It have drawn the multiple line to fit that line which I want to use to fit. Okay. Converter. Convert. Okay. This convert AME solid models to AutoCAD solid object. It will use to convert solid models to AutoCAD solid object. Okay. Aperture. This one to control the size of the object, snap target box. So this one controls the size of the snap target box. At this, this one to globally controls attribute visibility. This one controls the visibility in the AutoCAD. So you can see when I enter that command, the AutoCAD said enter attribute visibility settings, which is normal, on and off. So you can choose one, the one you like to choose. Okay. At edit. This at edit, change attribute information. So you can see the AutoCAD said enter attribute 1 at a time. Okay, let's move to at text. This at text, it extracts attribute data. It is used to extract the attribute data. That is how it works. So this is a part 1 of the 8th command in this video. In the next video, I will start from the B commands. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, AutoCAD Official. You can follow me on Telegram, AutoCAD Official, and like to and comment too. And if you have any problem, you can comment. I will address you. Okay, so I will see you in the part 2, which is the B command. I will see you.